everybody, look what we got here. I am so stoked to open this bad boy up. I've been waiting for this thing for quite some time. And as many of you know, they're on back order, super hard to get your hands on. And mine arrived today, finally. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. No, I'm just messing with you. You guys gotta subscribe though. You gotta subscribe. We need to do more of this. I'm not sponsored. Nobody talks to me. Nobody helps me out. I don't have a Patreon. I pay for all these damn things myself, and I'm probably gonna get hung by the wife over this one. But anyway, so here it is, guys. As you can see, Dbxle 2.0 ready to go. Let's open her up here. Oh yeah, straight out of California, boys. Cardboard. Tuck that under there. Well, we got the Fox edition. Man, this thing is huge, guys. It's huge. Look at that. That's crazy. So, there's your stickers. There's your manual, your warranty, and all that stuff. Boring. Let's make this happen. There's a lot of stuff, guys. Mostly packaging, I'm sure. Holy crap! Look at this thing, guys. That's insane. It's insane, the size of this. We're gonna get this thing together with the X-Max and the Crate and 8S. Hey, make sure you subscribe, because things are gonna get real crazy. We're gonna have lots of fun beating on these things. All right, what do we got in here? That's a huge box. Gosh. All kinds of packaging. There we are, is our radio, DX2E. Lucky you even get the batteries, guys. Tools. That's it. There's your RTR. I wouldn't trust those batteries. I'm not a fan of those. Put good ones in. Good ones in. Just slap them in now. Body clips, hinges at the back. There it is, guys. Beautiful. It's never going to look this good again. Those are pretty sturdy tires. Other guys say they've been having troubles with them. But if they were perfect, then we'd only buy one brand, right? This thing's huge. Your batteries strap in over here, obviously. diff down here. Massive spur gear. Flat bottom chassis. As pretty as it looks now, unfortunately, it's going to get scratched up. And of course, we got Cletus and James in there. Hey, well, Cleater and Jack Stan Jimmy. That's their names anyway. That's her, guys. I'm gonna throw a couple batteries in. These are what I've got handy, and that's what I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna get too fancy with it. I just kind of want to see it move. I'm gonna go over this thing before I actually run it. Loctite the pinion, all that kind of pre-run RTR stuff. Because I don't really need any surprises. I break stuff regularly. I certainly don't need something already on its way to help me. A loose pinion sure can ruin your day, as I'm sure many know. Power. Just gonna check my trims here, make sure everything's good and even. Well, looks good to me. Put this last one in here. Let's see what we got, guys. See the lights? Look at that. RC all night long. Killer light bar on there. That's super bright too. Damn near hurt my eyes when I saw it. Oh yeah. Well, that sounds sweet and new. Let's see if we can't put these pins on and pick it up. Front one, sorry. All right. Gonna work just dandy, I think. Not bad, eh? I obviously had to get the Fox edition. No, I mean, you can't get an ugly Dbxle. It's just not possible. It's a beautiful design, beautiful machine right now. And probably the next video where we run it, it likely won't be as beautiful. So there it is, guys. My brand new Dbxle. My boy Cleater and Jack Stan driving. Hey, there you go. Okay, guys, you gotta subscribe. Please share, like, comment, party, whatever you gotta do. I appreciate it all. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for clicking in. We'll see you on the next one.